tax-free products. Okay, this right here is just a screen side-by-side comparison of the 401k and the tax-free retirement account on the right again. Basically, the only thing that because of sacred time, the only thing that I want for you guys to pull from this slide is that the woman on the left is in a 401k. Obviously, this plan is taxable up to 36%. This woman started with 580,000 in her when she started saving for retirement. This woman over here is the same age, and she started with about $180,000 less, which is about 394,000. Okay. When this woman stopped saving for her retirement at the age of 66, she had about $1,052,000 in her 401k. When this woman over here, my client, stopped saving in her tax-free retirement account, she still had $80,000 less than this woman, but she had 971,000 and some change. Okay. All right. So let's look at this. What this number represents in the oval is the amount of income for 30 years or 29 years that this woman was able to withdraw from her 401k. What this number, and the same thing over here, this oval constitutes how much or represents how much income this woman over here to the right was able to pull out over 30 years, every single year in income. What I want for you guys to look at is one thing. If this woman over here started with less money than this woman, how and ended with more, if this woman over here started with more money than this woman, and she ended her retirement balance, right, with more money than this woman, why in the world did she only receive 41,000 versus 96,000 in distributions for 29 years? How in the world did this woman get $54,000 more in income when she started and ended less in retirement? The reason why, guys, is that this woman over here paid taxes on every dime every year annually that she got on this $41,118. This woman over here paid no tax. So when I sit down with my clients, because some of them have already saved 12 to 13 years, 15 years already in a 401k, what I tell them is, on average, if a person saves 25 to 30 years on average in a 401k, anywhere between $400 to $500, they've either given the IRS $2 million in income, or they've kept $2 million in income. Guys, these figures don't lie. This is what the IRS doesn't want you to know. They don't want you to know that if you continue to invest with them over time, you're giving up millions upon millions of dollars in income that should be yours and your children's.